Miss ka namin.
Nakakamiss talaga kayong lahat. Everybody in front of the camera, behind the camera. Welcome back to ASAP Chill Out, the ultimate jamming session, live na live, online. Because every Sunday, 11 a.m. pa lang, mapapanood nyo ang lahat ng mga ASAP performers sa asap.abs-cbn.com. Streaming live kahit saan ka man sa mundo.
Tama, and this is another Kapamilya first on ASAP XV.
That's right.
At ang mapapanood nyo online today, an acoustic duo Ray and Kay of Six Part Intervention, the acoustic princess Sessionista Princess.
And of course, we have Asia's only, folks, check it out, Asia's only harpist, singer, and songwriter, Noel Cassandra.
Nakaka-proud. Welcome to ASAP XV.
Hi.
Hello, and welcome to ASAP.
Thank you.
XV.
Thank you, Tito Gare.
You know, a lot of people can see the harp, but you know, they're like, how is it played? Can you give us a small sample?
Sure.
Okay.
Bagay na bagay dyan yung...
Parang angels.
Well, you want to tell us about the album?
Yes, I have a debut album under Viva Records. It's self-titled Noel Cassandra, and it has some of your favorite remakes as well as some of my original songs. And sa lahat ng ka-chatters at ka-jamming namin online and to all watching sa ASAP XV, get a copy of my album under Viva Records.
Thank you, Noel. We're gonna get a copy talaga.
Imagine may mga
Thank you.
originals, may mga originals dito, all done on the harp. So it's gonna be great. Something to watch out.
Yes. And watch out for a live performance mamaya po yan sa ASAP stage. But for now, let all put our hands together for our very own Nikki Hill.
Hindi na totoo. Buong akala mo at natutuwa sa mga kinikilos mo. Minsan ako'y gulong-gulo sa kabilang dako. Nag-iisip ako kung anong gagawin, kung anong sasabihin ko. Nagtitiis na lang sa kaupo na naghihintay sa'yo. Magbabalik ka pa ba? Magbabalik ka pa ba? Kung di na lang sabihin mo, puso ko'y pinakikibo. Magbabalik ka pa ba? Magbabalik ka pa ba? Ang nais kong malaman mo, ako'y di maghihintay sa'yo. Bahala ka na, hindi na ako magtataka. Ayoko nang mag-isa. Mabuti na ako, natitiis ko ang lahat. Basta't malaman ko kung magbabalik ka pa ba? Magbabalik ka pa ba? Kung hindi na nga sabihin mo, puso ko'y ninakikibo. Magbabalik ka pa ba? Magbabalik ka pa ba? Ang nais kong malaman mo, ako'y di maghihintay sa'yo. Huwag na lang kaya.
Thank you.
Yes, Miss Nikki Hill, of course.
Thanks, guys.
Somebody to Love,
Yes.
the album, Nikki.
The album, that was my single, Magbabalik Ka Pa Ba? From my...
Ang ganda ng kanta na yan ko.
Thank you.
You know, covers are covers, but that is one beautiful original song.
Please
Thank you
support
very much.
OPM. Yan yun. Please support it.
So please get a copy of Somebody to Love. This is under Police Records. Thank you very much, ASAP.
And
We
thank you
love
so
you.
much, Nikki Hill.
We love you. I love you. Ay, hindi. Mali pala yun. Mali.
Sige, sali na. I love
sorry.
you.
Para sa iyo ang kanta yan eh.
okay.
Yung nagsistates na.
Hayaan mo, babalik at babalik ako. Para sa'yo lang yun.
Oh, sige, sagap na kayo mag
sige. Tsaka na lang.
Anyway, iwanan na ako dito, guys. Thank you, Nikki. Right now, from one hot single to one hot movie, check out Star Cinema's latest offering. Watch this.
In the tradition of creating heartwarming blockbuster films, Star Cinema gives a memorable Father's Day offering.
Promise anak, hindi kita iwan.
Talaga, Papa? Promise yan, ha?
A story of broken promises and second chances.
What was I thinking? Huh? That you'd be different, things would be different? You're still you.
A story of finding friendship and love in the most unexpected places.
Sabi niya babalik siya. He never did.
Issue niyo yan kung issue niyo yan, okay? But I know when a father's trying. The world can be nicer to you if you would just be nicer to the world.
A story of an exceptional love between father and daughter.
Gusto kong ipakita sa kanya na iba na ako ngayon.
An on-screen reunion the whole nation has been waiting for.
I wanted to be the father that you would be proud of.
You weren't a father to me at all, period.
Starring Jericho Rosales, Casey Concepcion, and Gabby Concepcion. In a film by Mario J. De Los Reyes. This June, celebrate a father's love. I'll be there. On the ASAP XV stage, put your hands together for ASAP's Tony Gonzaga and Karil with one of the country's most sought-after leading men, Jericho Rosales.
Jericho Rosales.
Yes!
Tony and Karil, bababao.
Congratulations and tell us about your new movie.
Okay, the movie's called I'll Be There. Okay, this is Star Cinema's Father's Day presentation. This is a very, very important movie para sa taon na to. Because itong movie na to, ang actually history in the making to eh. Pagsasamaan to ni Casey Concepcion at Mr. Gabby Concepcion. Feeling ko magkatay sila kasi pareho apelido eh.
Tsaka magkamukha
magkamukha sila. And this is directed by Mario J. De Los Reyes. June 16 na po sa lahat ng mga sinehan dito sa Metro Manila at sa mga probinsya. Yan, and we have... mall shows. Yeah, mall shows. June 12, SM Bikutan, 5 p.m. June 13, Market 6 p.m. And June 15 po ang aming premiere night sa SM Mega Mall.
And next week, please watch out for the special Father's Day performance of Mr. Gabby Concepcion and si Casey Concepcion on ASAP XV.
Yes! Abangan natin lahat yan. But this is up next. Rated PG with Mr. Gary B. Plus